loved, who departed this life at the last day of March 1727, to the great joy of Bryan, that his antagonist is gone. And this poor tiger laid at last so low, oh day of sorrow, day of dismal woe. Bloodhounds or spaniels, lapdogs, 'tis all one. When death once whistles, snap away, they're gone. See how she lies and hangs her lifeless ears, bathed in her mournful lady's tears. Dumb is her throat and wagless is her tail, doomed to the grave, to death's eternal jail. In a few days this lovely creature must first turn to clay, and then be changed to dust. That mouth which used its lady's mouth to lick must yield its jawbones to the worms to pick. That mouth which used the partridge wing to eat must give its palate to the worms to eat. Methinks I see her now in Charon's boat, bark at the Stygian fish which round it float, while Cerberus, alarmed to hear the sound, makes hell's wide concave bellow all around. She sees him not, but hears him through the dark, and valiantly returns him bark for bark. But now she trembles, no ghost she dreads, to see a dog with 3 large yawning heads. Spare her, you hellhounds, case your frightful paws, and let poor tiger escape your fury.